Hey there folks, today I'm just going to dedicate this one video to the installation of a pretty neat product that we have. It's right here in this box. Pretty cool, huh? These are RV roller blinds from a place called Hay Blinds. And we got these ones in sort of like a dark charcoal gray sort of color. But if you go to their website, they have multiple options such as like size, color, I think even fabric options for your RV. Now this particular one, after reading the instructions, which are quite detailed, these are shades with the optional cassette valance because it came with this attachment here, which goes against the wall or against the ceiling. And essentially what happens, this here is the face. So this here would be, that there is the back. So what happens is that these little hooks slide into, or you slide the blind into those little hooks, and then you press, I think it's up and back, and it snaps into place, simple as that. So we're going to install, we got two, one for each of our egress windows, and we're going to pop them in place right now. Okay, they're bagged and bubble wrapped. Remove tape after installation. Not sure what that means, because you got to remove the bubble wrap in order to install it, but anyway. Open the end cap. Stuck in the bubble wrap. Okay, and this end cap stuck in bubble wrap as well. Okay, let's take these and go install them in the camper. These are going to be wall mounted, so I'm just going to make a couple of marks there on the aluminum. I can use my center punch and poke a couple holes and install the bracket. Yes, this is a super long drill bit. Got extenders and extensions put on that because it's a little tight to screw these in. There we go. Okay, get the little piece of board to make sure that's level. Okay, looks pretty good right there. There we go. Okie dokie. Okay, so this little edge here is going to have to hook into this little edge right here. So I'll just hook that in there like that and do the same thing on the other side. And then these hooks here hook into this little channel here. Oh, I just stuck it out. Line it up again. Okay. go. One side and the other side. Now go get the end caps. These go on in one direction, this way. There and there. The same thing over here. There. And there. Voila. Now what's interesting about these blinds is that they're actually blackout blinds, so just watch. No lights getting in, which is great for when you're sleeping. Get up in the morning, tub that, it goes back up. And there you have it, the installation of the hay blinds, roller blinds, which are blackout. Pretty easy install. You can check them out on their website. You can get the link down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.